I'm Jeanette Bovenzi, and I live in Coppell, and I work at a boys' school in town. Main reason I decided to join the 24-day challenge was in between Thanksgiving and Christmas. It's just a really tough time at school because I think the walls are oozing with sugar, and I need that discipline, all those rules in place to where I just won't go completely crazy with sugar. What I really liked about the 24-day challenge is we met as a group and I learned different techniques to use. Like, for instance, I had never even tried almond drawings, and I thought, ooh, I can't do that. And then also suggestion of grapefruit as a snack, because when I get home from work, I could eat everything in sight. And it just those two little tips helped me instill two things that I do now. In the end, 24-day challenge, I was able to lose 7 pounds. And again, this is during Thanksgiving and Christmas time, which is always tough for everybody. So for anybody thinking about doing the 24-day challenge, the best thing is the rules are all laid out. All you have to do is do it. And there's always somebody who's on that journey with you, so that support, especially in class. It's nice because then we'll talk about different things and things that work and don't work. So it's encouraging.